ensaymada molder. Then, set aside. Get the third sliced dough for the ensaymada. Then, knead it for quite some time for a better quality of ensaymada dough. Stretch the ensaymada dough longer. Then, flatten it with the use of a rolling pin. Roll outward to make sure that the inside part of the dough is firm. Then cut it perpendicularly and measure it to its weight about 30 to 50 grams. Then roll again each pre-cut ensaymada dough. Then roll it longer and tap it on the table once in a while. And then shape it like a spiral and put it on the ensaymada molder. Do the same procedure on the remaining ensaymada bread dough. Then set aside. We will now make the Pandecoco Flling. Make sure 2 cups of grated coconut and then add 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Then add 1/2 cup of sugar. And then continuously stir and then add the remaining evaporated milk. We will now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then, continuously stir the mixture until it turns or it thickens. The Pandecoco filling is now cooked. Let's proceed on the 4th sliced bread dough for the Pandecoco. Flatten the bread dough using the rolling pin and then roll out to make sure that the inside part of the dough is firm, and then cut perpendicularly and weigh it approximately 30 to 50 grams. Then we will now form the Pandecoco bread dough and form it on a round shape. Flatten it with the use of rolling pin. Approximately 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Then, when it is already flattened, we can now put at the center the Pandecoco filling. Then, knit 4 sides of the bread dough at the center and pinch it at the center and make sure that it is locked. Shape it round and make the upper part of the Pandecoco bread dough smooth. Do the same procedure on the remaining Pandecoco bread dough. I am now making the egg wash. I mixed 1 egg plus condensed milk. Then prick the top of the pandecoco to prevent it from forming balloon while baking. Brush now the top part of the ensaymada with the egg wash. Do it also on the top part of the pandecoco. Then put it inside the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. We have now a baked pandecoco and ensaymada. We will now put it on a serving plate for a good presentation. Wow! I feel sort of happiness because I made it successfully.